I love God very much, and I like evangelizing. I work for Him through evangelizing. This is the gift that God has given me to do. One Saturday, we're evangelizing. Then I went at Jochebed's place. I didn't know her.
So when she came, she started preaching to me while Mom was sick, lying in bed. And at that time, my heart was breaking because my mom was seriously sick and my dad left us a long time ago. Before that, I was not going to school. I stopped school because of that problem.
I saw her mom wasn't feeling well. We had to pray for her.
So after that, she preached to me and I decided to follow Jesus.
Then she came to church. By then we were meeting under the tree. The church was very small. We were like about 30 somewhere there.
When we came to church, I found them praying under a mango tree. And I was very depressed. And we started praying and they started singing. After singing, I was very overwhelmed.
As her mother was sick, she had no hope. She was hopeless. She thought that was the end of the world. And I encouraged her in the word that God can provide for her.
I was very excited. And after the church service, I met the pastor and I explained my situation to the pastor. I explained everything. And the pastor was like, anyway, it's okay, we will try by all means to help you. So when my friend told me that the church is going to pay your school fees, I laughed just the way Sarah laughed when she was told by the angels that she's going to have a child at that age. So I was like, hey, how can the church praying under a mango tree pay my school fees? Because they failed to build a church, and how can they manage to pay my school fees? That's how the pastor started sponsoring me through Jubilee Center. By now, I'm even going to school, and there's nothing I'm suffering for. When I finish my school, I want to be an electrical engineer.
But this time around, the church has grown. We're no longer meeting under the tree. We've built a church and we're meeting like 100, 120.
We went at home, they met Mom, they took Mom to the hospital, and after that, Mom was on medication, and by now Mom is now okay, she's very fit. My mom is even farming by now, a small farm.
There is also a vegetable program. We are growing vegetables like cabbages, tomatoes, onions. The vegetable program that we are doing is helping us to feed the children who are underweight and they've got also HIV and AIDS.